Welcome to watch Mirasys VMS Standard course. This video shows how to use the motion detection scheduler in Mirasys VMS. Setting up the scheduler. Go to the VMS Servers tab. Select Cameras. Select Camera from the list. Select the scheduler. Select Mask 1. Click Scheduler upper left corner with mouse left button. This selection adds a selected mask to the whole week. You can also select the time frame from the scheduler with the mouse left button. You can use a different mask during the day. 1 hour is the shortest time period. Customer can have a mask for daytime and a separate mask for nighttime. Click OK to close camera settings and save changes. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any assistance with Mirasys VMS, please contact support@mirasys.com.